In a dusty attic, two curious inventors, Bob and Tim, stumbled upon a peculiar contraption. "What do you think it does?" asked Bob, peering through the lens. "I see tiny creatures," Tim exclaimed, eyes wide. "Maybe they're aliens," Bob suggested, chuckling. They spent hours observing, convinced they discovered extraterrestrial life. Suddenly, Tim sneezed, and the lens fogged up. "Oops, just dust mites," he laughed. "Well, at least we didn't call NASA," Bob grinned. And so the microscope was born, not from scientific pursuit, but from a sneeze. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.